A lot of times there are things we know we're supposed to do and we just don't do. I would recommend Red River to someone else who may have health or spiritual needs, and to receive all those things that I needed. I'm so appreciative. The staff is so kind and understanding and helpful, and it's given me courage that I can continue. I've had some improvements, so it's given me courage I can continue to improve when I get home. And a lot of support. And I appreciate you, Chris, and Eileen, and all the workers here. And sometimes I can be a stubborn patient, but you're all very kind to me, so I thank you for that. I've appreciated the cooking classes and just the practical steps that they shared with us, what we can do to continue on a daily basis. And so it just gives me so much hope that I will continue to improve and experience better health, and I hope to be able to share that with others. I really appreciated them getting to the heart of the matter, the spiritual things or other issues that are going on in our lives, stresses and so forth, that could really be making the problem worse. And so I would just encourage, if you're struggling and you don't think you can do it, you've failed over and over again, just come and be encouraged. And also to share with others that may be here. It's just a really encouraging atmosphere, and it's just given me so much hope.